Ustadh, is it realistic for a sister to manage a career and household? It is realistic, yeah. It is realistic. But it's dependent on the environment that she's in. In certain places, no. But in other places, yes. Is the land the Western countries? Or is it a Muslim country? Because remember, brothers and sisters, if the parents sometimes have to leave the house, okay, have to leave the house, the mother has to do work and make money, but the children are in an Islamic environment, the environment helps nurture your children in the right direction. But if you're in an environment that whenever you turn your eye away from your child, that's it, there's vultures waiting for them. There's hyenas and predators waiting for your children to take them and infiltrate you and cause problem in your house and cause fit, then no, you cannot balance between a career and also being a household parent. So it's all dependent on the environment that you're in.